So after building my 27-foot tall recreation of Kingda Ka, I decided to take a POV, but it didn't go to plan. Oh my goodness, mate. That is just not good. Oh no. Because I didn't put any brakes on the airtime hill for this coaster, the train ended up hitting the corner so hard with so much force that it actually ripped the wheels off of the train, and then of course sent the GoPro flying across the ground. I thought it would be interesting to upload this as a separate video, but of course if you want to see how I built this coaster, then head over to the link at the end of the video or in the description to see the full build video.